to all of you, my dear students. So today there is need to know why English is important in our lives. Means basically we can discuss about what is the importance of English and why there is lots of investment in CBSE boards, the students, the guardians, and also teachers, and all the teachers members, and especially principal, manager, and directors are focusing why the student must know English because as we know that in this modern time in 21st century, English language plays a very vital role in our society. For example, when we talking about our class, according when you're talking about ID cards, then as we see, DN Memorial Sunshine means every word written in English, and this criteria implemented in everywhere because in this 21st century everybody demand about English, and as we know that English is an international language. So the students, and as we know that our students, you all come here in camera side, everybody, all boys, come here. Okay, our future depend on student. If student get proper education in English or in any languages, according to me, no any languages is superior or inferior. Every language is superior or inferior at their right place. But there is need why the guardian force, and if you join a CBSE pattern system, then there is need means there is must need to know about the hidden mystery of English, and there are lots of teachers trying to give his best performance for the English surrounding us. For example, you are a student of class 8B.
Yes, sir.
Stop करिए.